Google is pushing out updates to every modern Android device about once per week, even if your OEM is no longer updating your phone. But these have to be installed manually. So today, I'll highlight all of the new changes that Google has begun to push out to virtually every Android smartphone and tablet. Then, toward the end of this video, I can show you how to install these updates yourself. Starting this week and continuing into the first weeks of 2026, the Google Play Services application is getting updated to version 25.50. And in this update, we're noticing a new API that renders a custom account selection user interface when you're browsing through the Connected Accounts area. Those who are familiar with the Android parental supervision setup flow, you'll begin to notice this is getting updated to improve the user experience during that setup process. There's going to be a new reminder placed within the Google Settings area to get you to finish setting up the Play Store. And Google is telling us that there will be a new user experience for notifications that tell you about Android's new advanced protection features. Not only that, but the company has added a way to provide feedback on automatic time and time zone performance within the Settings application. Now, once you have updated to this new version of the Google Play Services application, you'll also notice some bugs that have been fixed within the security and privacy related section of the Settings application. And they're adding a new place where you can find information about new features that have been added to Android. This week, we also noticed the Google Play Store is being updated to version 49.5, and after it has been installed, those who live in the EEA and in the UK, you'll be able to find specific information on the app details pages of the Google Play Store that will help you to identify regulated medical device applications, since there has been some new regulation put in place there. And last week, during the holiday, Google began rolling out version 49.4 to the public. And while it was a small update, it has helped by streamlining the install process for system services when it has been initiated by the user. If you're wanting to manually install these updates, they need to be done in 3 different phases. First up, we have the traditional Google Play System Update, and this needs to be found within the Settings application, with a simple search being the fastest way to locate it. So pull up the Settings app, search for System Update, and then tap into the Google Play System Update result. From here, you can tap on there, and it's going to manually check to see if you are eligible for one of these updates. You can even manually check again, just to be sure. If you are already up to date, you will be told that from here. But if you have an update waiting for you, it won't take long to install, and then you'll see a blue reboot button down here to fully take effect. You're also going to want to check and see if you can install updates to the Google Play Services application. And I do this by finding the app within the application section of the Settings app. Just make sure you have enabled the Show System Apps filter from here. Then we can dive into the Google Play Services app, scroll down, and you have a section telling you where it has been installed from. So we can tap on that. And if you have an update waiting for you, you'll see an update button directly from here. And we can manually check if an update to the Google Play Store is waiting for us by first launching into the application, tapping on your profile image so that we can dive into the Settings area. Now we're going to tap on the drop-down menu for About, and you should see a Update Play Store link from here. Go ahead and tap on it. If you have an update to this app waiting for you, then you'll be told it will be installed shortly. And if you wait a few seconds, you'll see the Google Play Store close on its own as it is installing that update. But if you do not have this update waiting for you, you'll be told that it is already up to date. Just remember that Google rolls out these updates in a slow, methodical manner. So you may want to think about manually sideloading these new application updates to the Google Play services and the Google Play Store. As always, though, if you're not familiar with this process, or if you need some help along the way, then please use the comments section below to let me know where you're getting stuck at. I've just got to ask that you please give this video a like so that YouTube knows it was helpful, and then share it on your favorite social media platform too, because that really helps the channel to grow.